All right, so one more system of equations that we can solve using substitution, although I wouldn't recommend it, would be if you have two equations where neither is solved for one of your variables. But this one, if you look at the top equation, we have x here, and it would be pretty easy to take this equation and solve for x. So in order to do that, I would subtract 3y from both sides. And we have x equals 8 minus 3y. And now I have an expression that I can substitute for x. Now, since I used the top equation, I'm going to use the bottom equation as my one that I will rewrite. I'm going to replace x with 8 minus 3y. And then again, I'm just going to now solve. So I'll distribute the 2. Combine like terms. Solve for y. Subtract 16. Divide by negative 11. And y equals 1. Once you have either of the variables solved for, go back to your original equations. If y is equal to 1, this equation looks like this. 3 times 1 plus 8, x plus 3. That's not plus 8. It's equals. Multiply to get the 3. Subtract 3 from both sides, and I think x is 5. Again, once I have my x and my y, take the other equation, plug them both in. 2 times 5 minus 5 times 1 equals 5, and we're checking to see if this is a true or false statement. If it's true, I have my solution. If it's false, I did something wrong, or it's just not the solution. So 5 does equal 5. That's a true statement, and that tells me that 5, 1, x is 5, y is 1, is my solution.